I've been feeling lazy. Today is Saturday and I didn't go to class today. I decided not to go today because I have exams to write, and that exam is online exams. It's due tomorrow. I've been reading on it, but not intensive reading. So I decided to use these hours to make my bed, change my baby sheet and our sheet, and also at least relax a little bit and study throughout the day and the night. I'm not also feeling well because I've been coughing and my head has been paining me. I don't know. So welcome to a new vlog, guys. We are starting the vlog like this, guys. How is your weekend going? As for me, I want to start my week. I want to start my weekend like this. I'm not feeling that well. And my boy is also here. Yes, my love. What do you want? What do you want? See, my boy has displayed his books. He was reading his books over there. And that sheet, I just removed it from the bed. I want to... What do you want, baby? What? My laptop. No, you can't play with my laptop. My laptop is not a toy. This boy, these days, he like playing. He like using our laptops. And when you give it to him, he will just be pressing it. Meanwhile, you have your toy. Oh, goodness. I'm not feeling well. I'm just feeling tired. I slept so well. At least yesterday, my boy allowed me to sleep well. So I woke up very good. But...
You slept well?
Yeah.
Did he sleep too?
Yeah, he slept well too. I changed my bed sheet, sir. I want to remove the bed sheet, okay? No, say. I want to change my bed sheet, please. Right? Let me change it. I have to remove everything and do everything again, right? If you're happy and you know... What's wrong with your eyes? Are you okay? It's Penny. You? What's your name? Say, my name is Caleb. So I've already removed this sheet. And I have to change everything and replace it with new bed sheet. New and clean bed sheet. I have to also change my boy on over there. My boy bed sheet too. What are you doing? If you're happy, you know, run. If you have a good woman, treat them well. Well. Hi. Huh. Are you done eating? Say hi. Sheet is the new ones that the other time we unboxed. If you've been following me, I love this one too. So I like everything about it. From here, you will see, guys. Can you see? Can you see how cute it is? Oh my god, I like the details of it. See the details. It has four colors, like, see, it is so cute. And somebody is also here scattering the place. The rice now is fuller, so These are the dirty stuff, guys. Wash this laundry, but that will be maybe tomorrow. Also change my baby sheet. I love this my baby bed sheet. We need to get him more of this. His daddy got it from Walmart. Yeah.
Over here now. Come.
So guys, I'm here to show you the groceries. We got a few groceries. Yeah, just small. And Ghana mouth is also here. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? That drink is for me. It's coconut, guys. That one is coconut. So it's coconut juice. It's very nice. So Hobie discovered it from Smith, because Smith, they sell these things. So Hobie got it for me, and this is the third time he has gotten me that kind of juice. It's so nice. Like when you taste it, you will drink again. When you drink it once, you'll be drinking it all the time. So today he bought 3 cans. I've already taken one, and he also took one, and he reserved this one for me. And baby Caleb is also there trying to drink it. He can't drink it because it's coconut, so it's good. Be careful. So I just unboxed this few groceries. These are the things we don't have in this house. As the main reason why my husband went to the store this evening was this yogurt. My boy, for some days now, his yogurt has finished, and whenever we open the fridge, he wants to get yogurt. He will be looking at where we keep the yogurt. So my husband rushed to the store to get this yogurt for him, and it was this. Oh my god. So it was like this pack. It was 2 of these packs, and because my boy was rushing, my husband has to boy has already taken 2 of it. So I'm here to pack them in the fridge because he loves yogurt. Make sure that these peanuts will not fall from your hand. Yeah. You will fall down there. Yeah. Thank you, my love. Yeah, peanuts. Is that peanuts? Peanuts. Okay. You and daddy went to the store, right? To get these things, right? Okay, my love. Mommy pack my fruits. Yeah, my fruits. I don't have fruit baskets yet. So what I do is I pack my fruits here. I've reserved this plate for that, so that's what I do, right? Some of the avocado is already ripe, so tomorrow I will eat some. These days I like avocado and bread, and I eat it a lot. Like, I think I'm the one that is finishing. And last week I don't know, guys, last week, the way I was eating the banana, it was too much. My husband was saying, sometimes I don't understand how you eat your fruits. Some days I will not even feel like eating fruit. Some days I feel like eating, like making it in a smoothie way. Some days too I will eat it raw like that. Like the banana. Last week I was eating with this peanut. So I'll just take So I'll take 3 banana and eat it with it. I've been eating it and avocado too sometimes. What do you want? What is here? What? What thing? This thing. This. Let me wash it. So you get that right? So the mommy will pack the things in the fridge. Bye. Bye. What do you want?
No.
This one you don't eat it. Like we add it to fries. I'll check if we have if we have this thing. What do they? Okay, I'll make fries for you tomorrow. So don't take it, sir. Yeah. This thing is very good. This cornflakes is very, very good because it has almond and the almonds inside is very plenty. So almonds and see the almonds and the honey, everything is so nice that when you are eating, you are like you feel like you're chewing the nuts, and it's so nice. I love it a lot. Hey, so you are breaking the, oh my goodness, Jesus Christ. Why? You are laughing. Huh. Don't do that again, okay? Don't do that. It's not funny. Stop it. I didn't even notice that you were here, like causing commotion like that. I'll put it tomorrow morning. I'll fry it. Somebody said, huh? Is that why you wanted that food? Guys, I was here talking to you guys, and if you see what this boy has caused, the eggs inside the fridge, he was just standing there, and I was also talking. I thought maybe he's just doing his normal thing by taking the yogurt, not knowing that he has remove the eggs. 3 eggs. See, you see the eggs here. He has removed 3. 1, 2, 3, and broke it. Say, I've even picked this one, and see where he has put the ladle, and you are still standing here. Hey, don't touch anything. At least tomorrow I'll just add some and fry for breakfast. Don't touch it. Really? Hey. It's not African, I will touch it. I need to pour it inside. Stop. Stop it. Abba. Hey, so you don't want to give up, right? Finna watch it. If you can reach, let me see. See what he's doing. Me, I'm not picking you. Do you? Time is running. We need to go and sleep. Oga. I'm not picking you. I know you want me to pick you so that. Stop it! Stop! What do you want? It's so crunchy. Very, very crunchy. So it has granola, it has nuts. See the granola? See? So it has granola and also almond nuts. So that's the fun thing about it that we love so much. My boy loves it. Oh, I even have empty. I have empty breakfast in here. Good. So this one we were keeping Gary inside. The Gary has finished now. You can put the rest of the sauces. Yummy. You like it? My boy like chewy, no? He like chewy like me. I'll give you some. Wait. Let me put some for you here. Let's keep. This is what I got. I got 3 of. Yeah, I was able to get this.